Hi guys, welcome to yet another video. If you are new here, my name is Rahma and thank you for tuning into my video. As per the title, I'm going to be doing a quick tutorial on how to do 2-strand twists on 4C natural hair. As you can see, I have 4C natural hair and this is beginner friendly. 2-strand twist is a very quick and easy hairstyle. It is a protective hairstyle and I'm going to be keeping it for like a good few weeks. So yeah, this is just a quick and easy tutorial. Make sure to like this video. Please do like this video, guys. Please, it's not that hard. Just like the video, and also make sure to comment and subscribe. So firstly, I'm going to section my hair into 4 sections, and by the way, my hair is already moisturized, so I don't need to do that. But if you would like to see the products that I use to moisturize, I already dropped a video in my wash day routine, so you can go and watch that. And I did my wash day routine and the products that I use to moisturize and all of that. Okay, so my hair is actually just a tiny bit dry because I moisturized it about 2 days ago and I haven't been doing anything to my hair. I'm just gonna spray a bit of water, and the reason why it's yellow is because I mixed it with conditioner. And then I'm just gonna go in with my soft and free moisturizing hair food. This is what it looks like. So now my hair is much more hydrated than what it felt like, and now I'm just going to part my hair. I usually do medium parting when I braid my hair, but if you would like to make it bigger or smaller, you can do that. Like, you can do whatever size you want. So I have parted my hair and this is the size of my blocks. I like to have the medium, as I said. Like, I don't really like small-ish braids. Like, I like to do medium. The key to have your twist long lasting is to first start off with a braid so that you can secure the twist, because obviously twists can like easily unravel. So first start off with a braid, and this is how you're going to do it. Now that you have done your braid and it is nice and secure, you're going to twist it. And how you twist it is very crucial for how long your twist is going to last. So you're not just going to twist it anyway, you actually have to twist while twisting. And this is what I mean, like, you have to twist it while twisting so that it is nice and secure. So twist while twisting, like this. This is what your twist is going to look like. I'm actually going to make the parting a bit more bigger because I don't like how thin it looks, but this is literally how your parting is supposed to look like. First start off with a braid and then you go into it with a twist, and that is how you're going to make sure that your twist is long lasting, instead of starting it with a normal twist, because that way it will just unravel easily. This is what the first two look like. Really cute, see? Very cute, very demure. As you can see, I started off with a braid and then I continue with a twist, and that's how it looks. And I'm just gonna do that all throughout my head. So guys, I am done with the 2-strand twist all throughout my head. This is what it looks like. It came out super cute. Like, I am so obsessed. Like, I love it. Like, I love it. Like, it's just so cute. Like, twist, like, you can never go wrong with twist, like, especially on your own natural hair, because like it's just such a quick and easy hairstyle that you can do. And you can also like wear it under your wigs if you wear wigs, because it's like obviously it's very flat and like it's just really cute. It came out so cute. Like I am so obsessed, and I'm probably gonna keep this for a few weeks, probably like 3 weeks, and then I'll take it out obviously. Anyways, this is the end of the vlog and it's the end of the tutorial. Hopefully you learned something from this vlog. Obviously it is a very easy hairstyle to do, but there's obviously people out there who like don't know how to do hair. So if you're one of those people, hopefully you learned something from this video. And of course I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe, especially like the video guys. Please like, and I'll see you on my next video.